Have you tried to submit an offer in today's seller's market? It's crazy. There's almost always multiple offer situations. It's not unreasonable that a realtor could get 20 offers. So how do you make yours stand out? The very first thing is you have to write an offer. Don't think because it is such a hot market that your offer is not going to get accepted. That's limited thinking, and that's just not true. Here are a few things that you can do to get your offer accepted. One, submit a large amount in escrow. It shows them that you're serious, and it's less likely that you're going to walk away. Number two, remove any contingencies that you can. Things like inspection, appraisal, financing. Now, you can't waive these all the time. I definitely don't recommend that you waive an inspection contingency, but you can shorten it up. Also, you can get pre-qualified for that loan. You can get pre-approved for that loan if you have enough time. And submitting that with your offer lets the seller know that you're serious and that they can count on you to close. The other one is be flexible. Allow the seller to take a few days after closing to move out and offer that without compensation. So I know that it's a tough seller's market for you buyers out there. For you sellers, it's never been better. If you're interested to see what your home is worth, click right on our website and you'll get an immediate evaluation. And if you are interested in buying or selling and want to talk about your options, feel free to give me a call. This is Joseph with C.A.R.E Network. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.